Here we have a 95 Silverado 5.7. Today we're doing a water pump. I have the shroud out the way on 10mm boats. They're all the same size, so you shouldn't have trouble with that. I'm getting ready to go ahead and remove the fan. So I got my 12 and my 13 here to go ahead and get ready to remove the bolts for the fan. Okay, so I'm gonna pass you guys over to the wife. Oh wow, that one's probably a 12 too. Yep, he came off. Yep. And this one's the 13, so they're all like kind of like different sizes. So you gotta kind of like, but you can see it like by eye if they're different sizes. Okay, then the one at the bottom, you can't really see the size. That's 13. I don't know why they're different sizes on here, but I put a little bit of lubrication on here too, some JB, some blaster. So just to give things, pretty sure that this is the original water pump. So it's got 160 on the dash. So kind of want to go ahead and put a new one on here, and I know these bolts wasn't going to come off so easy, so it's best to just go ahead and they are very rusty, like you have a lot of surface rust going on, so you don't want it to break, especially them bolts in that engine block. Even though there's 4 bolts, I don't want them to break, so take your time and don't rush. Got one bolt here. Up, she fell. I see it, so I know where it's at. Goes to the water pump, so okay, so belt's off. Got the tension now off. There she goes. So this is the fan. We can put that here. Okay. Then next is the pulley. And there we have the water pump. So this is the heater hose inlet. Then I already have my hose, my clamp down here disconnected. 2 bolts. You got one in here. You got bolt right there, and then there should be another one right up under it, where my finger is here. And then you can easily see those bolts. So it's very easy. It's not even a hard job or nothing like that. Here it is. I'm 7 minutes in the video, and you see where I got. So see you guys in a minute. Okay, YouTube. So basically what I did was I just tightened it slightly, just a little bit, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and loosen it, so that way it just comes right out. That way I'm not breaking anything or nothing like that, because I don't have time for bolts to be breaking. These are old cars, so it's got 160 on it, so if that's the last time, if that's the water pump, it's a 95, you've got chances of breaking a bolt in there, and I've done it on a Buick Regal. Tight just a little bit, I just want it to move. Once it moves, you're good. It's not going to break or nothing like that. And it's just going to come right off. Okay. So that one's good. You see the antifreeze already slowly dripping. So I haven't drained anything yet. So what I'm just going to do, it's pretty simple, ain't it, huh? Babe? Mm-hmm. Okay, you see that? Tightening. Now loosen. Simple. It feels so good when just tightening and just loosening, just loosen so quickly, just freely. You know, you don't have a problem there. You're not gonna have a problem. Okay, time for the next one. Tight, and then loosen. I'm telling you, I had a Regal. Man, broke them bolts off in there, man. I was so pissed. But you learn from it. You learn from your mistakes. I'm gonna get this whole belt out of here. YouTubers, we have the water pump off now, as you can see. Yeah, it was leaking from the piss hole down here, which I already knew that it was leaking from down there, because that's where my leak was. So pretty much, yeah, it was time for a new one. So I bought the truck like this, needed a water pump. I really wasn't tripping about the water pump because it's easy repair, and I knew the motor was good. So pretty much this was our problem, and you can tell inside actually looks good, but catastrophic failure. So I mean, I'm gonna go ahead and clean off with a razor blade. I'm gonna clean off my surfaces and stuff like that, and then just want to put a water pump on there. So this is not the factory water pump, because you can see the silicone and stuff like that. So this is not the factory water pump. But like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up all this crud and stuff like that. I don't really like it. I don't have anything to clean up this gunk yet. I have no brake cleaner. So right now I'm just gonna do the best that I can right now, and then go ahead and get this new water pump on there. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, YouTube, got my surface all cleaned up. So got it all scraped away, and this is the finished product. It could be better, but it's kind of tight in there, so I got as much as I could off. So I'm pretty happy with it, so I'm about to just go ahead and clean the surface off as good as I can, and go ahead and start installing. I took my time because I just wanted good, and I'm trying to go back in there, hit this spot. Hit that spot right there. But alright, see you in a minute. What's up, guys? I'm back. Went on and got a new serpentine belt. I didn't like the one that I had. I'm gonna be pulling cars. Can't be pulling them like this. So I'm just down to be on the side of the road, stranded with a belt, and I knew I should have changed it when I had a chance. So I had to go get a new GM, the cooling connector, or whatever it is, cooling system connector. So I had to get a new one of those, and it's about $8 at O'Reilly. So I just went on and got it. Well, I didn't have any choice. It broke off, and I need my heat. So going on and installing it now in there, as you can see, getting her in there. This is a 95, so it's kind of, some years I heard that it's kind of hard to get to this back there, but I can get right to it, see where it's at. So simple. Just, If I move the hose up even more, I got more excess. So, okay, hold this, sweetie. Just try to get it more, as much hand tight as I can. Then I can just go in there. You're not in the way of the camera. Here you go. Come over here and hold this hose. No, he can do that while you're recording. He can come over here and hold the hose out the way. Because I want you to get it good for them, so they're able to see what I'm doing. And some people don't have a lot of money to do this, so they just want to be able to, you know, do it on their own, which is nothing wrong with that. I like it already came with that tape around it and everything, so it's like you knew that this was going to be a common issue.
Made it better.
Yeah, and it's a lot more sturdier and I feel it's snug in there. I'm not going all the way to the white. I don't see it, but you go by feel when you work on cars. If you don't have the proper torque wrench or something, you can be able to feel them so you don't over tighten or under tighten it. And that, my friend, looks it. Let's see if I can get one more. No, I can't. So I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to get one more turn out of this. Here we go. One more for good luck. Okay. That's that. Then all you have to do is reattach your line. Bear with the line. I still got it hooked up, so I'm not bending it. I'm just scooching it back. Okay, YouTube, and here's how you install your water pump on your 1995 Chevrolet 5.7. Everything's complete. I have, brand new serpentine belt, brand new cooling system connector, brand new water pump. So the whole 9 yard is now complete. So now I can just go ahead and put the trowel on and start the bleeding process.